Welcome back, guys. Crypto4Life channel. Today we'll talk about EigenLayer updates with my customer set. Let's dive in. Guys, you remember this chart? It's indentation accumulation pump model. Who watched the first video after listing around here? You remember all targets, and it was the first zone of interest. This is the second one, and we landed to the second zone of interest. So you can accumulate at this block, basically 4 orders, up to your own risk and money management. 1, 2, 3, 4, based on this model. How to work with this model? Highly recommend you go and check free educational video. So the good point, if you already accumulated with a limit order even at 82 cents here, you're now in profit 57%. If it's futures trade with the second leverage, you could fix 100% profit or withdraw initial deposit of your from your trade, and add stop loss at the break even. At the top it was like 80%, but it's not a big deal, for the global targets. Why now it's still not so optimistic price on EigenLayer? Because only 40% tokens in circulation supply. Still we got unlocks. Today we will see the unlock. By the way, it's not a big one. It's like only 0.06% of total supply and 1.44 million of total market capitalization. We have to check the vesting schedule. So basically every single 7 days we get unlocks. I can't say it's something huge one. It's now we already stake dropped, done. The next one, stake drop 2, done. This one I never understand it. Untracked unlocked. So 18% data unavailable. Tokens may be unlocked at any moment. What token? Who get the data airdrop? I have no idea. Or airdrop or allocation. So it's kind of weird. So this is going to be the investors. So this why do I think so? The EigenLayer can hit the new all-time high because I think the investors and early contributors, they will distribute the EigenLayer at the high price targets for the next 1.5 years. For example, from 1st October 2025 till 1st October 2027, 2 years, these guys, early investors, will distribute their tokens. And definitely not with the current prices, because when the BTC dominance will drop under, for example, 50%, let's say, why that guys have to distribute now at $1.30 if they can, just by speculation, put the price higher, right? And after that, in the next 1.5 year, 2025, autumn, winter, and full of 2026, just distribute step by step in a downtrend. But before, they can put the price even to $10. We can't know how high they will put the price. And take a look now, the market capitalization is like around 1 billion, FDV 2.2 billion. So it's kind of big one, big differences, right? And by the way, it's market like US coin. Maybe it's a good one. Market cap like 1 billion. So now in the capitalization, like, all right, 1.7. So let's say it's like 1 billion. So $10, it's possible like 17 billion market cap. It's hard to say. Is it possible or not? In total, the biggest market capitalization one here, around 4.3 billion market cap. After that, we get the unlocks and the price dump it. So you can see the spike of the market cap. And after that, we get an unlock and drop because the people distribute their bags here. That's why, guys, all targets relevant invalidation market here if the token dump on the listing price. So let me show you the, once again, local one. The best case scenario, guys, it's a test of $1.09. This one, and even the monthly block, even the monthly open. So this is going to be the best case scenario, personally, by my personal opinion. It's around a test of the monthly open May, and it's 93 cents. So technically, yes, we break the structure. If it was the last impulse on a daily, we break the structure. Now we can build a uptrend structure and this one can be the really the best entry. If we, and I want to show you the target, how high we can go. So take a look, if around here it was like impulse, we can drop to the 61 level of or even 78. So $1.03, $1.09, 90 cents. I think it's okay. Zone for accumulation Eigen Layer if you believe in this project, with potential dump even on the 30 cents. Up to your own risk, guys. So if it's an impulse, we need to see the correction. $1.09, $1 round number, and 93 cents around here. It's monthly open. It's okay. Zone for accumulation again, right? And with the targets, first trouble area, guys, will be the, of course, 0.5, $2.15, and the yearly open, 3.52. Next step, it's a swing trade, take profit zone. So guys, I recommend you go and check the first video about EigenLayer, right, to understand the logic, and this model is still relevant. Now let's double check with indicator set. And by the way, guys, how high the stocking can pump? Nobody knows. Absolutely nobody knows where the stocking can stop. So for example, $5.65, it's the top of the top now. I believe, yes, EigenLayer can hit the new all-time high, but don't build so crazy dreams. You know, because the $10 is going to be the, like, with this current circular supply, is like around 18 billion market cap. It's not low cap. It's a big numbers, guys. And let's count in percentage, right? Not a big one, right? Looks like not a big deal. Here, 1,400% gains. We'll see. If you believe in the higher price targets like $20, I don't know, around 40 billion market cap, 3,000% gains. Also possible, guys. Till I don't know, this this month's not this month, this year, and even some 26. Maybe we'll see the even 30 billion market cap, 40 billion market cap, and 3,000% gains. And after that, the 2 years, that guys can just distribute their bags because they got unlocks of who get the allocation on an early stage. So yes, it can be this small. We'll come back to this video later, right, after a few years maybe, and double check the main logic, the main idea, because we can't know how high that guys will put the price by first speculation, right, to distribute their bags. Locally here, yearly open, first of all, it's $2.15. It's a test of 0.5. Next one is a yearly open, 3.51. With this move or without, so impulse, sideways impulse, and we're gonna hit the yearly open. Invalidation, if it's once again drop and drop on the listing price on the Binance. That's why, guys, we can't know in a moment what the whales will do, right? Because it's real people with real money. Here, this is like accumulation on a weekly, but not a big one. Direction in a good point now. So direction in accumulation zone. So this is definitely not a distribution, not a capitulation like time to out of the token. BTC dominance over than 60%, over than 62%, even 63%. So now it's okay, step by step, accumulated all of these alts. Market mood still euphoria. This is what I don't like. On many tokens, we already seen the capitulation zone. On EigenLayer, this is still like euphoria. It's not a good one. Money power, guys, take a look. We pump it to the middle line, but without any money inflow on the weekly. Yes, it's also not a good one. Take a look. Last one, money inflow was here, and pump. Now the money outflow. That's why I wish to see the drop to even 91 cents, to see the once again drop into accumulation block, and after that you can take a decision. Guys, if you build a plan, for example, you make a deal with yourself, so we dump to 93, 94 cents here, pump to this block, $1.92, 93, $2.15, you out and withdraw initial deposit. After that, with the 50% of tokens, you can write easily to the yearly open. So it's going to be the 274% profit from your 50% of allocation, right? Zero stress, zero risk. Here was signal to buy, middle of April, buy, take profit, sell. You could track everything by yourself. Weekly, no signal to buy yet, or even buyback. Take profit, guys, on weekly, no data yet. Daily, here. Daily, we didn't test the take profit line. Take profit $1.54, exit line $1.79. So 12-hour time frame. We can test the buy line again. So let's add alert, buy line on the 12 time frame. I guess in the next few days, the buy line will be here. So we can see something like this one, test the buy line and go higher. So this is going to be the best case scenario, for the EigenLayer to hold the line around the monthly open or 82 cents, depends of where the buy line will be till that time. So guys, my conclusion, crazy stuff scenario, it's a dump on the listing price, of course. Now we are around the best zone to buy. So with a plan of fixation, initial deposit, fixation at yearly open, swing trades, take profit zone, and the new all-time high. So build a step-by-step grid where you would like to fix a profit. So guys, if you would like to trade with my customer success I would showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.